Alright kid, here we go. This one's a little bit different than normal. This is the Sleepy Hollow Campground in Wall, South Dakota. This is cabin number 1. So let's take a look. We'll start outside, show you that they do have a grill with a griddle side as well as the normal grate side. They do not have a fire pit out here, but they do have a grill. I guess you could put a fire in there too. So we have a little bench. We will come on in and you'll see that this is 3 beds. So we have bunk beds over here on the left. Both of them are double beds. There is not a ladder. You can see the ladder side over there is pushed up against the wall. Instead, you climb up on the side here, or you just hop up over the side there. So the trash can is full. That's because we stayed here last night. And then we do have a, I don't know, a double, or I think it's a queen. Yeah, probably a queen bed here. We have plenty of outlets. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. However, the light switches don't work, so no lights up there. They do have the little breaker box here, but nothing that we did seemed to change any of that. So overall, short and sweet. Oh, I did want to point out that you do need to bring your own sheets. So they have these beds zipped up in their cases, but you do need to bring your sheets. Also, it is not air conditioned, despite it saying there's air conditioning on one of those. I don't see any kind of vents anywhere, even if the electric was working. But the windows here in July, or I guess it's August now, the windows provided adequate cooling. The one downside to this is, you might be able to see it right there, there's a train track, and it's not one of those slow little city trains that kind of rumbles along. This thing goes fast, loud, shakes you. Nice little wake-up call in the middle of the night, and then again early in the morning. So there you go, Sleepy Hollow Campground. Overall, pretty solid place. I also did check out the bathrooms. Bathrooms were clean, showers were good, hot water, good pressure, everything else. So there you have it. Until next time.